Good morning, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a good video. It's also going to be a little bit of shameless self-promotion, but here we are. This whole week, basically, I'm going to be taking you through what I do for my side hustle, which is Intense Customs. I make customizable nail jewelry, as I call it. Basically, I do custom press-on. I make actual jewelry charms out of nails, as well as sculpting gel. I hand sculpt things that are pretty. I also make hand and nail treatments in the form of soaps and scrubs. And for all of that and my marketing, I manage a Facebook page, a TikTok account, as well as an Instagram account and a YouTube channel, because why not? I will leave all of my Intense Custom links down below if you want to check those out. If you're just here for the video and you just like my main channel, then cool, fun to have you. Let's do some work. So this is the mineral hand scrub. Simple, very effective recipe that I have perfected over the months, and it's rather brilliant actually. Now this is going to be in a bridal package. So I'm just gonna zhuzh up my molds here. Just dust the inside with a pearlescent mica. I don't know if you can see that in there. A soap and oil blend in here. Customized the color to be this sort of turquoise blue, and I'm hoping that that will go well with the mica that I'm using. Any extras I make, I put aside in a jar for samples, and I'll also remelt them to make new soaps. So now I have to let this set. It's very hot soap, so it may take a little while. Okay, so while that sets, I'm gonna get working on the gem for her bag. So I'm going to be doing a nail-based charm. This one just something simple. I apologize if you can hear traffic. It is 100 degrees up in my office, so I have to have the window open. Got my little nail stand with some double-sided tape. It's not the most aesthetic looking thing, but it works. I want to add something 3D to this. What is cute and wedding-y? These ones are more wedding bells. So this is about the size of the nail that I'm using. So this is how it turned out. It will not focus. We've got the silver wedding bells, some little gem details, and then I've got white marbling with the matte top coat, and then what is my favorite glitter underneath, and it looks so good with the matte top coat. Look at that. It's just embedded in there. And then I'm just gonna put it in one of these little bags. Okay, so that took long enough. Now this soap is set. And then I put the soap in these little zippies to keep them fresh. And like I said, these are nail oil soaps, so they're very oily. So we want these guys to not ruin anything else in the bag. And then we have our soaps. So now I'm gonna write my little thank you card. Put directions for the products in here. Just some metallic paper I got from Michael's. Throw in my business card. Now I gotta package it up. Cute silver bags from Michael. We're gonna use some silver paper as the base. Stuff in our little thank you card. Drop in the hand scrub, the soaps, and then the jewel. All bundled up. And I'm gonna top it with this silver glittery polka dot paper. Oh, and there it is, all wrapped up tight. Now there's glitter all over my table, but that is part of the business, folks. Oh, now I gotta tackle these dishes. I gotta wash these, which is really easy because it's just soap. And then all my tools from my nail desk I just throw in here, and then when I do the dishes I do them. So I'm probably not gonna wash these right away because I need a freaking break before my child wakes up. Okay, so it's the next day, it's Saturday, I'm at work, and I'm getting very, very angry with Facebook. So I think I've mentioned this in past videos regarding my intense custom stuff, whether it was here or on my other channel. I don't remember. I'm pretty sure I mentioned it on here, but I'm not quite at a point where I'm ready to commit to a website, because if I'm gonna do one, I don't want to do one of those dinky free weird link ones. I want to actually like commit to like a Shopify store, you know, or a Squarespace, something like that. I was trying to set up a sell page on my Facebook, on my business page, and it's not letting me. So it's saying it won't let me use the message checkout. It's saying I can't use this method of checkout because my Instagram account is selected, but it also won't let me unselect my Instagram account. And unless I go in and disconnect it, and even then I don't know if it's gonna work because Facebook is fucking dumb. That is not, it's not happening. I have my business cards now, and I just want to put my business card picture up here. Not that I don't love that set of nails. Look at that marbling. Look at it. It's perfect. That's irrelevant. Photos. Yeah, like I just want this one. Now it'll let me. Okay, it wouldn't let me do it earlier. It would just close out. That's better. Stupid commerce manager, it's full of shit. Okay, so here's the problem. I have not done any side hustle work in the last like 4 or 5 days. It's been a little while since I filmed that last bit because it has been like a million fucking degrees, about 35 degrees or something like that, 38. It's been ridiculous, which means I can't go upstairs, and I just don't have the pregnant energy to be hauling all of my stuff from upstairs to downstairs so I can work on it. But I have so much I need to get done. I'm trying to think of what I can get done that's down here and cool so I can just like knock some stuff off my list, you know. What I do have to do, it's just a minor thing, but I have all of my soaps here. I've got the sample shavings there, and I've got the full soaps in these jars here, and I want to get them into individual baggies. See where that takes me. Okay, so these are all pre-packaged. So I've got the Summer Flamingo soaps individually wrapped. These are the Peach Mango. These stars are going to be for mystery bags. These are also Peach Mango. These two are the fragrance-free baby blend that just kind of have that tiny bit of baby powder scent to them. And then all of these are my little sample packets that are just going to be added to any order. They're just cute. They're little like shavings, so they're small enough that they're samples, but you get a good amount in there. Like those will last a long time. It's still sleeping. So I have enough time that I'm going to, this is all my leftover shavings from the Peach Mango. I'm going to be making my fall soaps in about a week or so. So whatever's here is it for orders and samples. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to melt them down, and we're just going to make some little stars out of whatever's left and then make them into mystery and sample pouches. Now I'm gonna let these set. Depending on how much longer my dude sleeps for will depend on whether or not I get these cut up and packaged today. But the color, the mix of color, because they were all different, ended up being this like sort of tealy green, and I didn't really like it, so I added just a couple more drops of blue and red to make it a bit more of a purple color, so it's a little purpley blue. It'll probably look more purple in the thicker pieces than it does in those little drops there. Once I clean these up, they should look great. And then we should be able to make, at very least, 3 mystery bag soaps and at least 3 sample soaps. Ahoy! I have made the executive decision to just go ahead and make a website. It's going to be a bit of a process, so I'm aiming to have it up and running in at the latest by January. But with baby things, I really don't know what's going to end up happening, what my healing process is going to look like. So I don't know. I'll have to do a follow-up video on that. I was going to show you guys the end result for the mystery bags, but I'm also actually going to be putting up a mystery bag video on my Intense Customs channel where I'll be showing off the one that I'm currently making. So if you're interested in seeing what that ended up looking like, you can go ahead and subscribe to that channel down below, or at least go check it out. There's a chance the video might be up already. Otherwise, I think I'm gonna leave this here. I'm gonna try to do one of these little side hustle with me videos on this main channel every so often, once every couple months or so, or at least when I have like a fair amount of orders or projects going on. So stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up as well so that I know. Feedback in the comments is also great. You can check out all of my Intense Custom links down below. The Facebook page, where at the moment is the only place you can order. You can also DM me on Instagram. That will also be down below for Intense Customs, as well as my main channel, TikTok, etc. I do some really fun stuff on my Intense Customs TikTok. You can't order from there, but I like to make cool things. That's where I make my fun side projects, and eventually those will go up for sale in some shape or form. So yeah, there's that. Check out all the things. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.